Okay, hi there, I'm Carl at Escape Trailer, and today I'm going to talk about the 10 layouts that are available in the 4 different sizes of trailers that we have. Now, layouts are important to you, especially when we're considering the Escape Trailer, because we offer more customization and more personalization options than any other trailer manufacturer. Let's start off. We got 4 different sizes. We have the Escape 17, the Escape 19, the Escape 21, and the Escape fifth wheel. The Escape 17 has 2 designs. So we have the Escape 17A, no bathroom in the Escape 17A, permanent bed in the front of the trailer. Escape 17B has a bathroom and has also 3 floor plans for you to choose from. The Escape 17B, floor plan number 1, double dinettes. The Escape 17B, floor plan number 2 has a permanent bed in the rear and it has that dinette in the front of the trailer. The Escape 17B, floor plan number 3, puts that permanent bed in the front of the trailer instead of the dinette, so it's a smaller bed, and then retains the larger dinette in the rear of the trailer. Remember, in all Escape trailers, the dinettes can turn into beds as well. Okay, let's move on to the Escape 19. Escape 19 really only has 1 design, but it has 2 floor plans. Escape 19, floor plan number 1, puts that bed in the rear of the trailer. Escape 19, floor plan number 2, gives you double dinettes. These are standard dinettes, not U-shaped dinettes as standard. Escape 21. Escape 21 does have 2 designs. So we have the Escape 21 Classic, which was the original design of a trailer when we reduced it 21, all those years ago. It has I call it a semi-walk around bed. So the foot of the bed, you can kind of walk around or walk at the foot of the bed. It's a north-south bed as well, but it only has 1 layout because of the bed location. So Escape 21 Classic. We also had the Escape 21NE. The Escape 21NE came about because customers kept asking me, "Hey, Carl, I love the Escape 19, but I'd like the extra couple of feet in the trailer. It's the same GVWR. So could you make me a 21 that's essentially the same as a 19?" Which we did, and because of that, we're able to create 2 floor plans in the Escape 21NE. So the Escape 21NE floor plan number 1 puts the bed in the rear of the trailer. Escape 21NE floor plan number 2 has double dinettes, and in the NE, the dinettes are standard U-shape dinettes, right? Unless you want to change it to a bench seat arrangement, so no U-shape. That's the Escape 21NE. Then the last layout that we have is in our fifth wheel. The fifth wheel only has 1 design and only has 1 floor plan, and that floor plan sets the bed in the front of the trailer, up the nose of the trailer. Then you have the dinette in the rear of the trailer. So layouts are very important. Layouts will help you choose all the options that are available to you inside the trailer. So I would start off, figure out what size of trailer you want, what length you want to tow, then move into bathroom choice, and then move into layout. And then after you move into layout, you'll be able to go into your options. Listen, I hope you found this content useful. Remember, I'm Carl at Escape, and we're built for you.